Akwaba and found Ragan and Sem TVGH so what friend me Ajua searching.
Jampo be Disney and about to Disney. He has been an MPP sympathizer for a long time.
Yes, exactly.
They never invited him to anywhere meaningful, not even an ordinary phone call. Jampo about you say white. Oh, you need. Oh, the Fabi at the Bachana, young chairman and compensation, somebody and his winner, and this is a man of quite Shepherd's Council, chief executive officer. I don't know exactly what he's doing there, but he's there. Now, Buma, no busa. Now, and Obi Tumka said, because he said, I must see journalism, honesty, Mukumikano, Kano, and this is for no man, come Florida, MBB, no one ever. Oh, there's all the old man. I'm not going to them. What I say, and Omuniatia one more constituents, MPs no Muluso Mulisin. The party must not let them come back into the party in any meaningful way. Joe Wise one Lusu on one head a sea from. Ochemen Sabonzu Lusu on one head a sea from. Whatever Ochemen Sabonzu has done, it can be forgiven because the man is useful. Maybe former MP. Olusu Iputo. What the name Bems or your former and Toma to be, oh dear. What 20 years? I'm on a party in coffee. Because 20 years, I mean, I'm not being mean. I'm being very frankly honest and bitter to you. Say it was a waste of time. All the 20 years. Not even one single human being that I cry we recruit. Now I cry the entire man so man kwakra and I want to takra in Jubilee Fields. Never.
Did you come for now?
I open the phone lines and let them call. I don't know what he did with them. Nobody knows. Not a giant do so mumpo. Constituency oh, local government for court to no baby and for make come a constituency. See to go to in all these 20 years, Kwame. Secondary school there are still many challenges at the secondary school. When I was living there was no electricity.
So why I'm not too man.
Oh, I don't know stupid because I wasn't part of them. And I don't crack home in your problems with my own people. Because what this is a waste of time and resources. Now they're fun to change. But I will say I dare he was in parliament for about 24 years. Catch me say I dare back could be war memoir, say a policy, say yeah.
Law back in
say draft
the constitution
I don't know say ne can and come member back.
Oh, they said the Okanka MPB any ho.
Ubenya Bibre, some George the LGBT by and knowing something to work up. So about parliament or witchcraft for
MPB for
millions for the Trompo and I am more. What I say, so suba parliament bay or yama witchcraft bill, ya pass money. Maintain that. But if you go to Asin Central and I said we are Asin we don't go from Asin Central. No. The personal businesses I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about that. I know people are in terms of employment, in terms of butchery call, in terms of human resource development, in terms of post now or one trouble or street lights. In terms of development there, Mango, and interest. Could you catch them and shuffle? If you do. Or you pen paper man, could you say, and go for a pass or shuffle, and maybe a pass or shuffle from list. Could you have boy, you did you did not connect. Oh, I heard up and probably one some bit yasm, you know, Matnasiaka. We say, I know women are sorry, say, Baby to good. Who took you as a good year, my baby numbers when you have Baby to know. Eugene said, I know the backup partner, Mustafa Hamid, and Jan Yuku for I think the OSP are quatrain. 280 million. Nagana is brought by money laundering and fraud. MP, I can no launder money at MP. How? Why do you use all these monies?
280 million.
Acquiring houses. 280 million Ghana cedis between 12 people. Are they? What's your Jubilee house? Oh, more private residence, and I say houses bay, and we see. Oh, there's almost no investigation. Dear Heston ABC.
But Mempire may ban say, who's the way I make us say, Sir Accra Kumas Road no? Because we knew the last time I conquered.
Yeah, check a crack.
Now, Kofa Udru Sir and so one.
Yeah, of Uncle to us a way, Mamma, say one to Franco.
That's a catcher say.
High and cry.
Mementa say, and I won't, Yana me fool and say. Accra is the capital. Okay, so let's look at this way. I'm not just being, tribalist, but passion why I walk. Or they can't crew some sample penarea, they can't some the emotions can cry womb. So I cry. You are cry to a flower.
Yeah.
You are cry to Cape Coast.
Yeah.
You are cry to Takra there. Sakwadina, those will be car. If you are a cry, they are cry to Mas Road.
Yeah. Say it in 18 youngers.
I cry to Mas Road. And Kwame the Bia, Ifi. How?
How no better?
8
a back a credit a year anymore because the airport anymore. And grandfather ganges a woman to draw. I won't vote wage or and grandmother can say Inga. But it means still a quaba.
It's still a quaba.
Gaya Aqua, welcome here.
I'm not quaba.
Sure.
Where's
the ever? I want a gun. There will be a gun for it.
Okay.
Say Aqua Banka, I wish you to for.
Okacham said there's a big hand on your party. Udike, yet to me, more. So what's my boy me no. Now to me na the infantry in Kumasi to tell me say we are my own fale and pana Jemensa ayako kwasa gumani mu asese me ment man fale. Wabra ma kwa election da under Yewura Afarijan. You see, ade bia nipa wo ya so wan fa clear conscience anya esu na baba. Political parties no, they are not serving the interests of the nation. So they don't have clear conscience. And partisan democracy, ebe se Ghana, ebe ma Ghana tete pansam. Africa country bienwa, wade multi-party democracy, aye adwuma wanya resource. What they do is say, we do the back and call of our colonial masters. Jeye never Nigeria the two basin no. Aye the continuation of colonization. It will not divide or minor by virtue of a political model and ideology. So when I'm first one. Ebe because ya yebi and obenya functional illiterate was a professor or trade where you wine no the catch say asem we kra de America krasa na no to lo ni adwene ye de be kawo ye ni democratic system ebe bo me see union government bi buku na matro no and the only way be yi sanyama way afu na kaga na bom say ye funu ba kumu ade because we cannot develop this country with this divided front. My brother.
Yes.
And now let me tell Vice President social media. I will say or condemn the act, Now so I congratulate your friend say you're winning NDC candidate. No matter what my say. And nama yempen yadi yaseche. And nama ichiri yadi yaseche. At one breath, condemn the officers and the violence characterized these elections. At another breath, now also congratulate. Wait, with him. Stage manage. Yeah, kwa yebi. May I thought it. We move by Adam Sadi. We emphasize from you, man. The reason being that, and this is transfer kwetia. Why? Na na kufodu nipa na we touch my what else? And now election.